Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Again, a video on Sprt, which is for support.com, and as I mentioned yesterday, almost each and every day I will make an update video on Sprt, whether it is going up or it is coming down. So here is today's video, and hopefully you will like the video. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, resistance, price action, short interest, some other things, also the option chain activity. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to join my Patreon community, where it is connected with a Discord chat, and in Discord we talk about a lot of things. You will see that every day we talk about a lot of things, trade ideas, different tickers, support, resistance, so that we can all make some money. Today we made a money on NEO, BBIG, then we had Edu, then we have Prog, we had SGOC, a lot of things, and we are all making money pre-market, during market hours, even after hours. So if you want, give a try, join my Patreon and become a Discord member. If you want, you are also welcome to join my YouTube community by clicking the join button. You will become a member, and also you will get access to the same thing. Give a try and we can all make some money, even for day traders, swing traders, even for long-term investors, options, and also crypto. So let's go back to Sprt now. So first of all, we know Sprt has been coming down, right? So it came down yesterday, even today it came down by 23%, a big decrease, and even after hour it is down. And in my last video I was talking it has to hold the important level, which is 26, 27. It was trying to hold, then with time it was gradually coming down. You can see it was slowly beating the entire day, but end of the day or even after hour, you can see it has found a bottom, hopefully around 23.5. So let's look at the chart first of all. So this is the Sprt chart, right? So I talked about it in my last two videos. See how it is going higher than the previous day. It moved sideways and then it just broke, right? So I was talking about this 26.2. This is the important one, because if 26 is broken, basically this thing is empty, right? There is a big gap, and with the gap it might come down. So it came here, tried to bounce off, some people bought, but again there is no volume. You can see that today the volume is less, right, compared to the volume we had before. Now the volume is going down, and that is why it is going down. So what you can see, it has been coming down. End of the day it tried to go up, but again this is the after hour, it is just moving sideways. So now seems like it might have a support around 22, 23 area, but again we have to see. And this is important because if you look at the area here, see here, it has some kind of resistance, then it came down. So maybe that resistance is acting like a support. That is why you can see it is now resting over this 28.3 area. But if this support is broken, this can come even more, maybe around 20 bucks. So we do not know, we will see. But there are some facts for which I'm still bullish. I haven't give up on Sprt, and most probably you are also holding like me. So let's have a look. First of all, look at the volume. So the average volume for last few days was around 36 million, and today's volume is 27 million. So first of all, the volume is coming down. If you look at the chart here, so this is the price action. It went up and coming down. If you look here, the price was going higher because there was more volume. Now there is a weekend, and after that the volume is coming down. So today's volume was like yesterday's volume, but again now the price is coming down. So we need volume. As long more volume will pop up again, so maybe it will go higher again. And why I'm thinking it might pop up again, let's look at Fintel. What does it show? It shows that there is 0 shares available to short, and this is consistent for so many days. If you look at the borrow fee rate, it's not showing anything. But if you look at the daily short volume ratio here, you will see that even today the short volume ratio is 47%. The day before it was 55%, then it was 48%. So the shorts are still acting here, right? So the shorts every day, almost half of the shares traded are shorted. So this is one important thing. Now let's go back to Reddit. What you can see. So that thing came just 2 hours before, so hopefully around 4:30 p.m. after the market closed. So someone posted it, and if I click on this, oh, this is so big. So you can see that the short interest has increased by 20%. We know SPRT went to $50-60, but the shorts did not cover. It was around 75%, and now even the short interest has gone higher. It is 85%. So the short interest is going higher. This is a good thing. Even though the price is coming down, it is going higher. Look at the CTB, cost to borrow ratio. So the minimum is 51%, the maximum is 324%, and the average is 234%. Wow, this is really big. So the more they are borrowing and shorting, they have to pay more interest. So the good thing is, if there is more volume, in that case it has a very high short interest, 85%. This is really big. I think GME had something 103 or 130%, but again 85% is insane, right? So 85% short interest, high borrow fee. It just needs volume. Maybe people are busy playing with some other stock, but anyway, when the volume will come, this thing will shoot up again. Maybe people are playing with BBIG or anything else. I do not want to say, because I love both plays, but anyway, this is what is happening. Now let's have a look on SPRT option chart. You can see the volatility is still 340%, and the nearest call option expiry date is 17th of September. You can look at the open interest. So many call options are still open, with a 9,000 call option open for 18 strike, which is in the money. Then we have 23 strike for 8,000, and also look at 30 strike, 9,000 call options is still waiting. 6,069, let's say 7,000 call option is still open for 39, right? And this is the bottom, yeah. But also look at these volumes, right? 6,000, 2,000, 1,000, so many call options is still here. And still, this is not the end, because there are still 16 days, right? So maybe things can revert. When the price will come down, then those shorts will start buying back. Because let's say the people who shorted today around $26, and maybe that is why the short interest went up. So whoever bought at 26, if they covered their short position at $20, so there will be a profit in $6 per share, right? So at one point, I think we will see, once it comes down, the shorts will start covering their position, because the short borrow fee is really high. So we might see another spike. Now the question is, will it go back to 50, 60, or will it go back to 40, or will it go back to 30? This is what we have to say. I do not want to give any misleading information that, oh, just hold, it will go to 80, 90, or 100, but just showing you the fact and what is happening. And if you think this is a good area, maybe you can enter with a $20. Maybe this is a good price, because from 20 to 60, this is 3 times. On the other hand, how far it can come down, 8.910 was a good one right before this squeeze. So again, you have a downside of $10. On the other hand, you have an upside of 30, 40. So anyway, you will do your own risk versus reward ratio. I'm not going to suggest anything, but seems like it might have found the floor around 23. We have to see pre-market and tomorrow market hours. So anyway, this is one important thing. I'm holding my shares. I haven't averaged down. I'm just holding, because today I was looking at the 26 area, but if it break the 23 area, maybe it can come down even more. In that case, I will just average down for now. I'm just hoping that it will just have a bounce and it will go up back to 40, 50 again. So anyway, this is what I'm thinking. And let's have a look on the monthly full. Here is why support.com was down big today. It talks about a lot of things. And the final thing is, history suggests that meme leaders will eventually feel the pull of gravity. It makes sense. If it goes 100%, 200%, why not? And come to trade closer in line with their underlying fundamentals. But you can't rule out the possibility that support and other hot meme tickers will enjoy more big gains in near term. So anyway, we know like $60 is not the real fundamental, but for now, maybe some other place. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to become my Patreon, so that we can all talk, we can chat, we can generate some ideas, and we can all make some money. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.